In this video, I will be demonstrating how to download your COL syllabus for your class, make the necessary changes, and upload it back to Canvas. In the Modules tab, locate the syllabus for your particular section or class. Download it to your computer. By going to File, Save As, and locate where you would like to save it. Once you have it saved, close the form you have saved from Canvas and locate the one you've saved and make the necessary changes. So you will need to enter your information, include your late work policy, and on the last page, include the class meeting dates. Once you have filled in that information, you will need to save it and go back to Canvas. Once in Canvas, you will go to Files. Here you will need to upload it. And once it has been saved and added to your list of files, you will now go back to Modules, locate where you want to place your syllabus, and click the plus button. In this pop-up box, you will want to locate File, find your syllabus that you saved for your class, and Add Item. And you should see it saved at the bottom of the list, and you use the side to drag it where you'd want to place it in your course.